Doom Patrol had been fully staffed. White-collar and American Horror Story alum Matt Bomer has been tapped for the last remaining lead role in the upcoming live-action drama for the DC Universe digital platform. He will play Negative Man in the series, from Greg Berlanti and Warner Bros. TV. The announcement was just made by fellow Doom Patrol star Brendan Fraser ahead of the premiere of DC Universe's Titans at New York Comic-Con.
Bomer will provide the voiceover performance for the character of Negative Man and will appear as Larry Trainor in flashback scenes. Matthew Zuck has also been cast in the role of Negative Man, and he will provide the physical performance of the character on set in full-body costume. It is a similar setup to Fraser, who provides the voice of Robotman and portrays Cliff Steele in flashback scenes, while Riley Shanahan does the Robotman's physical performance in costume. Written by Jeremy Carver, Doom Patrol is a reimagining of one of DC's strangest group of outcasts: Robotman, Fraser, Negative Man, Bomer, Elasti-Woman, April Bowlby, and Crazy Jane, Diane Carrero. Led by the mysterious Calder, Timothy Dalton, they're called into action by the ultimate hero for the digital age, Cyborg, Javon Wade. Banding together, these rejects find themselves on a mission that will take them to the weirdest and most unexpected corners of the DC Universe. Co-starring in the series is Alan Tudyk as villain Mr. Nobody. Bomer made an appearance at Nick via a video greeting from the Atlanta-based set of Doom Patrol. Carver executive produces the series with Jeff Johns, Berlanti, and Berlanti Prods Sarah Schechter. Berlanti Productions produces in association with Warner Bros. Television. Bomer, an Emmy nominee and Golden Globe winner for the HBO movie The Normal Heart, recently starred on the Amazon series The Last Tycoon.
He previously headlined USA Network's White Collar and starred in FX's American Horror Story, Hotel. The Doom Patrol, a team of misfit superheroes, has a long publishing heritage. This year marks the 55th anniversary of the team's first appearance in the pages of DC Comics, but the group has rarely been a spotlighted brand within the DC Universe that is defined by classically heroic characters like Superman, Wonder Woman, and Green Lantern. The Doom Patrol's idiosyncratic adventures, bizarre enemies and outsider ethos makes the team the most Marvel-like of DC's longtime properties, and comparisons have been frequently drawn between Doom Patrol and Marvel's X-Men, the mutant team that debuted in September 1963, a mere 3 months after the DC Squad's summer debut that year.
What do you think about it? Share your opinion in the comments below the video. And also subscribe to the channel not to miss new, interesting videos.